Here we go with Tommy's function test on the LS swapped Apache. So there's the Intellitronics dash we have. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the headlights on. Here we go in Tommy's new garage, new shed. You'll see here's his running lights and his headlights. And we'll go back here. Here's the LED tail lights. That's just the running lights. And now here we go, the hazard lights again. You have the Intellitronics and you see the indicators. And then we'll walk you up here, and here are the front hazards. And we'll be going back to the back hazards, which are also the LEDs. And then also, here go the high beam indicator and dash, and then we'll show you the high beams real quick. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, and follow us with this one and our other projects. And thanks for watching.